Hi everyone, it's Danny. Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share my December daily prep stash setup. All the bits and pieces I've gathered together to get ready to set up my December daily. I do have quite a bit more coming that I've ordered online, but that's going to take a little while to get here. And I want to get a kickstart on this because I want to start making some foundation pages with what I have, and I don't want to do the share after I've already, you know, dug through and used up half of this stuff. So I'll just start with what I have. So this is going to be the base for my album. It is a A5 Traveler's Notebook from Mumsy and Bub. It is the peppermint color. I bought this quite a while ago because it's just the perfect color. It's a really beautiful light peppermint green, one of my favorite colors for Christmas time, and it is an A5 size, so quite a good amount of room for a traveler's notebook. I am actually going to put rings into this. I'm just going to use mini album rings, and I haven't fully decided exactly how I'm going to do it, but I will share that with you when I get there. I did do a traveler's notebook last year. I just found it a little bit restrictive, not being able to move pages around, and it makes it really difficult to do foundation pages, so I'm going to use the rings. And in keeping with that plan, I picked up these memory planner pocket page refills from Heidi Swap. I got these in Spotlight just this morning. They were on clearance. They were $5 for this pack of 6. Kind of wish I'd got more. They're a really good little size. So you get 6 of these. I'm not even sure what size they are, but they're nice and small, just perfect size for like a personal size planner. They are ring bound. They've got little rings punched in. Excuse the glare, sorry. So you get a pack like that. You get 3 with the 2 pockets, and then you get some of these little 6x6 pockets as well. So they're a little bit wider. Yeah, so I thought these would be fun to use as pocket pages. They are going to fit nicely into the size that I have here. Fair bit of stuff here. Some of it's kind of random. I'm just going to start with, this is just the memorabilia that I have from last Christmas. So little gift cards, you know, my friends gave us. So, and then I have a little basket full of bits and pieces. So I had actually planned to use exclusively printables this year, but last year I used all stash. So this year I decided to treat myself to a few bits and pieces that I bought. So this is all stash in this basket. I got these 2 acrylic December pieces. I want to say in a kit. I've had them for a while, so I can't really remember. I have this pink and white twine. I do have some red and white that I used a lot last year. I might use that, I might not, but I definitely want to use pink and white. I'm going very pastel this year. Lots of pinks and this mint color, and just light pastel colors. It's really my jam. I got this ribbon last year. It just I couldn't make it work. I don't think it really went with my color scheme. It's got this blue, red, and silver chevron pattern. Really pretty. So I'm going to try and use that again this year. This ribbon I used a ton last year. It's a red and white candy stripe from American Crafts. I still have quite a bit left on the spool, so if I find a use for this year, it'd be good to use that up. I have a couple of trims. I have the white pom-pom trim that I used a lot of last year. I have this pink teeny tiny pom-pom trim that I will probably grab some more of if I see it. And then I have this mint pom-pom trim, which I got in a pocket advent calendar from the Stamp Spot. And quite a few of these other bits and pieces are from that advent calendar too. So this is actually an earring, but it's a really cute little tassel, really chunky, really cute, exactly the colors I want. So I am going to take the earring part off and use this as to make a spine dangle with. I'm probably also going to add a couple of these little leather suede tassels to that. I have these really cute little photo corners, again in those cute pastel colors, trying to use those up. I have some of these pom-poms. This one has a little bungee cord, so that'll probably go on the spine dangle. And then these are just loose, so I'll probably just, no, they have little rings on them, so I'll probably try to incorporate those into, yeah, my spine charm. I have a couple of paper clips and some mini album rings. So these are the ones I'm going to use to bind my album with. I have this set of thickers from American Crafts that I'm planning on using for my numbers. They're called the Sprinkles Thicker, and they are all numbers. They are like a really fine micro glitter in white, and it's kind of like a pinky minty color on the reflect if you look closely enough. They're really pretty. The chipboard, I'm actually planning on going through and peeling the back off most of these, and I'm taking off a couple of layers of the chipboard just to make them a little bit flatter so they don't bulk my album out too much. But I'm really hoping to keep the numbers consistent in my album this year, so I'm going to try and use these as much as possible. All right, and then I also have these little holly leaf wood veneer that I may use. Right now, this is some stuff I have from Snow and Cocoa. So these snowflake embellishments, I think I got these in a Hip Kit Club grab bag. So these are pretty old. I love this collection though. I actually don't have very much of it at all. I have this pack and I have the printable collection. So I have cut a bunch of printables out. So really love this color scheme, and there's some gold glitter in there as well. And these are all the printables that I have printed and cut. So there's quite a few here. There's lots of these little embellishment pieces. I just sat and hand cut these, fussy cut these out while I was sitting on the sofa. I could have done a print and cut on my silhouette, but I like to get really close, as you can see. I don't like to leave a border. So I just fussy cut. There's some like little trees and little stars, and yeah, in those pastel colors that I really like. There's probably more there than I need, but I have them there if I want them. And then I have a bunch of these larger pieces, so kind of like flags and tags and little kind of journal card size pieces. I love this little calendar, so just bits and pieces like that from that collection. Really sweet. So I just have those all in that tray there. What next? So I have these. I just picked these up yesterday in Spotlight. They are chipboard, not chipboard, wood veneer little trees. Mainly got these for adding to the spine, mainly. I might do that. Last year I used a wood veneer piece. It's actually a tree ornament. So this little star with the white snowflake on there. It's actually really thick piece of wood veneer. So like I said, meant to be a tree ornament, but I stole it for that. So these are similar. They're not quite so thick though. So I think I might add one to the spine. I may use one in the actual album depending on how thick it's going to get. I am using that traveler's notebook, so I do have to be wary of thickness. But those were from Spotlight. They are $3 for the 6-pack, so really reasonably priced. I have these stickers that I got from Spotlight last year. I might use these. I probably won't. I do have the crepe paper Hey Santa sticker pack coming, so I might just kind of put these at the bottom of the pile if I need some teeny tiny stickers. There are some really little ones on here, and I really do quite like this tree, so I might use some of these. There may be. That's just my Christmas card from last year that's going in the album. These are alphabet stickers from the Reject Shop. They're a nice big pack. They're the same kind of size as a Thickers pack. Very reflective, so sorry about that. They are obviously a gold foil finish. And they are cardstock stickers. They're quite heavy duty, so yeah, they're certainly not a chipboard sticker, but they're kind of thicker than a kind of regular sticker, and they're actually not peeling off. So, oh, there we go. Okay, they're kind of like on a clear backing. So yeah, they are kind of thicker. They're like a thick cardboard sticker. I love gold at Christmas. It's a really plain uppercase font without too much bulk because they're not foam or chipboard. They're that cardstock. So yeah, they're definitely going to be useful. Okay, now I have a bunch of single sheets of acetate and craft. So I have a couple of Basil's basic pieces. I have the clear acetate with the white spots. I have the craft with the gold foil in that quatrefoil pattern. Really love craft. And then I have the gold stars on the craft, all from Basil. And then I have the DIY shop numbers acetate that everyone has used in past December dailies, I feel like, but I haven't actually used it myself, so I'm going to do it this year. Why not? And then I have this one from a Hip Kit Club grab bag. It is pink paisley Yuletide acetate, and it's got these really cool holographic snowflakes on it, so I'll be using that. And then I grabbed another sheet of this DIY shop acetate with the gold stars on it. I have used this in the past. It's really, sorry about the glare, it's really hard to see, but there are gold stars on there. And then on the reverse side there's silver. So that's really nice. Really cool for Christmas. The last thing I have to share in this portion is the Hey Santa paper pad. Everyone has seen this. I'm sure everyone's using this for their December daily this year. A lot of people are anyway. I just really like the papers. I like the pastel lighter colours. Probably won't be using the darker ones, but I did decide to pick up the 12x12 paper pad. I have actually already placed an online order for the 6x8 pad. Kind of annoyed that I did that because maybe 2 days later I found the pads in Spotlight, but you know, it's fine. So I did just grab the 12x12 because I was worried that the 6x8 wouldn't stretch far enough. So I have plenty of paper now, at least. I'm just going to do a very quick flip through because I'm sure everyone has seen this already. We have this pink pattern, the diamonds. Really love this one, the white with the stars, black and white stripe, little houses on pink, super sweet. A nice cut apart piece with tags and postcards and things. Red and white polka dot, probably won't be using that. I do like this green though. A tag page, perfect for December daily. I'm sure lots of people are going to be using these larger cards. Red and white stripe, super cute. Snowman on a mint background, I love that mint. Really quite like this green, that's probably a bit dark. A nice geometric pink, a mid-tone pink with polka dot, really lovely colour. Santas, black and white stars, awesome, really versatile. Very dark red plaid. I like this one, the mint and green. Ribbons, frames. Again, another red one, black and white snowflakes, a pink chevron, really like that one. Dark green, lots of busy bits and pieces. Really light pink and peach plaid, really like that. Another nice cut apart sheet, really like this one. I love this little tree, super sweet. I love this mustard. Is that the only mustard? Oh, there's pops of it elsewhere. I wish there was more of that in here. And then I think we just repeat. Yeah, it looks like it. I do also have these little hole reinforcers. I have a bowl full of a bunch of these gold glitter hole reinforcers that I just made by hand. I just sat and punched a whole heap of these out of glitter paper. So I have lots of these now. Yeah, there's a ton in there, so I'll just keep these nearby and use them as I need them. I think these are always a good thing to add if you're going to do anything ring bound and just help keep everything a bit more sturdy. Okay, my order from Love to Create came in, so I have the 6x8 paper pad and the sticker book from Create Paper Hey Santa. So this is very similar to the 12x12 pad that I've already shown you, but the patterns are scaled down and they are not repeats. And they're foiled as well, so some of them like this one, you can see that beautiful foil. So I'll just flip through fairly quickly. I really love this gold foiled tag page. I'm definitely going to be using this gold foil. Sorry, it's really hard to see. I'm trying to get that foil there. There we go. So this will be really nice for some of those pages in my December daily. It'll be nice and easy to use because this is very close to the size that I'm using. Those gold snowflakes, how stunning is that? Those little houses again. Those tags again. So definitely worth having both of them in my opinion. All right, now we have the sticker book and it's actually in a kind of flip through book. The first page is clear stickers and they are clear. They're not those translucent ones like in Magical Forest. I didn't like those. They're clear stickers, really lovely. Lots of really cute icons on there. I love this bauble in particular, this little car with the tree. The next page is all opaque, normal cardstock stickers. Really appreciate that. Some phrases up here, some more of these medals that I don't know how I'm going to use. A frame and some labels. The next page is upside down, which is odd, but it's clear stickers and it's all black and white. So I actually really like black clear stickers because they go over the top of photos really nicely. So they're really nice to overlay on photos. Lots of snowflakes, some phrases and some leaves as well. I love these leaves. Again, apologize for that glare. Some more cardstock stickers, lots of Santas and Santa heads and snowman heads and some little snowmen down the bottom here. Very cute. Another page of clear stickers. These are really sweet. Some bows, some little candies and jellies. So cute. I love these trees. Little house. Some rainbows. More bows and some holly and stars, really lovely. And the last page is again cardstock stickers. We have some phrases up here. This definitely looks a bit more geared towards card making. Then down here we have black and white tiny word stickers, which are really sweet. I'm going to use all of these. And then these all just say Merry Christmas. So yeah, definitely geared towards card making. which is fine. Really, really pleased with the sticker book. I'm glad I grabbed this. Stay tuned, there's more coming. Okay, I have already hauled these in a separate video, so go check that out if you want to see these in detail. But these are just the things I got from Rosie Studio Rudolph and Friends collection for my December daily. So I got the 3x4 journal cards. You get a nice little pack of those. There's 24 in there and you get 2 of each. Cute color scheme. Really fitting with that pastel theme I'm going for. I got the puffy gold alphas, just lots of phrases. I definitely recommend being wary of the adhesive on these because they've already come unstuck, so I will have to add some extra adhesive. I got the die cuts. There are 180 in here. There's 2 of everything. There's a lot in here, a lot. So one of the things I like about Rosie Studio is they do add 2 of each. So you basically get 2 full packs of die cuts, and they also include lots of really small ones. So there's lots of really little pieces in here that'll be really good for the smaller format of a December daily. I got 2 of the multicolored puffy alphas. These are the teeny tiny alphas. I love puffies. I got 2 of each because they are multicolored, and I just felt like it would be easier to find the colors I want if I got 2 packs. So there's 2 of those. I got the puffy motif stickers, lots of cute little animals, trees, candies, presents, ornaments, snow globes, snowflakes, really cute. I got the chipboard embellishments, so you just get 2 pages of cute little icons and some phrases. There and there. Nice pastel color scheme, but with this nice bright Christmas red. And then I got the puffy dots as well. So you get dots, stars and hearts, mixture of colors there, different sizes. Really good value, really inexpensive. I ordered all these online and I spent over $50 USD, so I got free shipping. They did take a little while to arrive though, so just keep that in mind. I think they do drop ship from China, so that is just something to keep in mind if you're thinking about ordering. Okay, I think that is going to be everything for my December daily kit prep setup, things I'm going to use. I have actually already started making a few foundation pages, so I'm getting all ready and excited for Christmas. I do work a year behind, so I do have all my photos already, but I don't want to really start getting into it until the Christmas season is upon us because it really helps me get in the Christmas spirit. So I hope you enjoyed watching this. Keep your eye out for my December Daily 2020 playlist. We're gearing up very soon, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.